Yes, we do agree that the impeachment complaint against the president was prematurely dismissed. In fact, it was, in effect, summarily tried without proper presentation and evaluation of evidence. There was summary judgment made by the majority on the uh, complaint against the president. So, how will this affect the complaint against the vice president? The fact that they come in right after the other will
Mm-hmm.
inevitably mean that the public will compare how Congress handles the one again and as against the other. So makikita kagad kung may double standard na i-apply ang Kongreso, no? Na dito sa isa um,
Mm-mm.
mahigpit at kahit labis nga sa hinihingi ng rules ay in-apply para lang ma-dismiss prematurely. Dito naman
Mm-mm.
sa kabila, dito sa Vice President, ganun din ba ang standard na i-apply? No?
Mm-mm.
Marami nang may pagtingin at tama naman sila sa kanilang pagtingin na uh, lulusod pa rin ito sa majority ng House. No? Dahil
Mm-mm.
it's clear to us as endorsers, even though we're not part of the majority, it's clear to us that there will be majority support for this impeachment complaint against the vice president to move forward.
Mm-mm.
So uh, it's up to the House to make sure that their handling of this complaint uh, appears even-handed,
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
because the credibility of the process depends on that.